Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about Jasmy. What's going on with this token? What can happen in the next upcoming months for this token? Let's take a look on the charts with my customer set. Let's dive in. All right, guys. So a lot of people on every single pump, on every single move, like 20%, 50%, 10% even, the people screaming we're going to the moon. And every single pump, people made a same mistake. So they just hop in without any plan. They absolutely don't know where to in, when to out, why they in, what amount of money they purchase now that token or this token. So people mostly gamble randomly without even a plan. People wait just a fast, easy money, from the token, from internet virtual tokens. But I think this time the situation will be a little bit more complicated than in previous cycles because I saw the stats. So last cycle there was less than 5,000 tokens. All right, so we not count the meme tokens, but there was just a small amount of tokens. And now we just and here, if you now open CoinMarketCap, you can find out. So here's a crypto, more than 10 million, right? So it's just a craziness because you saw on the pump fund they launch like 10,000 tokens a day. It's madness. That's why, guys, a lot of people will lose the money during the bull run. And yes, guys, we are in the bull run since 2022, but not in the altcoin season. So it's kind of big differences. That's why the people who just blindly waiting the alts should pump or perform like in the previous cycles, I don't know why people live with that mindset. So, guys, just work with risk management, work with the zones, where to in, when to out, and everything will be okay. So, I'm not telling you I'm not in losses. Hey, guys, of course I'm in losses. In some position, I'm in losses, and some in profit. But I absolutely feel comfortable because I totally understand what amount of money I invest and where I will fix my coins, and I totally don't care about the timing. So that's a big deal, right? So for Jasmy, this is a monthly gap. Yes, this one's still relevant. Just to be honest, guys, I don't think so. We'll drop so low. Yes, of course, we can form like a global double bottom and drop to close the full fill on a monthly like 0.207. Guys, listen please again. I don't think so we will drop because a lot of people all the time when you say something bearish, right? They always mock you in, oh, you're bearish. Oh, take a look. This is guys spread of thought. We have to go into the moon. No, guys, it's just a possibility. We'll leave a lot of liquidity. Imagine on a monthly time frame, we'll leave a lot of liquidity. So here, I hope you understand what is liquidity and why it's dangerous, right? Why it's dangerous? Because every single month we not sweep the previous one and leave liquidity pools. So under 1 cent and 5, there is like psychological zone for market makers to hunt that stop losses. So it's kind of bad. It's really, really bad for Jasmy. Right, so bullish one, we almost closed the full fill of first monthly gap, what I shared with you here. I post a lot of videos about Jasmy, and I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish, I'm never on one side, right? So we work with a zone. So this was the first bullish zone, liquidity zone, where we will sooner or later we will come in, and we came into that zone. So basically this is done. Next step is can be this one. It's 9 cents and 14. A lot of people scream we go into the $1 to 50 cents and all of that stuff. Yes, I 3 years ago also posted a video, posted an idea on the trading you about a potential $1 price for Jasmy. That time we traded around here, I remember. So it was like 2 cents. It sounds like more than logical, and they promise reduce some supply. So maybe if they reduce the 50% or even 80% of supply, maybe the Jasmy one day in the future reach $1. Who knows, right? But now it sounds even unrealistic, right? So this is a still block of accumulation if we will drop to that low. Technically, you know, on the weekly time frame, it's like 3 drives pattern. Usually it's also bearish pattern. Got it, but not on the monthly. So a lot of people now that draw that trend lines. So another bearish signal. So yes, technically we can drop one more than 30% more. Also bearish one. So guys, the bullish targets only, we need to see that BTC dominance under 50%, even better 45 or 40. After that, the money and liquidity can start inflow into alts. So this is going to be the perfect scenario for Jasmy. Globally, of course, on the monthly, it looks like also if it's a cup handle. So the size of that cap and handle should be around here or even here. Anyway, it's not even the 10/10s. Got it. Daily time frame. On the daily. Daily, we start forming that type of triangles, you know. So the people draw this like a downtrend line. This one. So when we go in a sideways now, the people start screaming, we breaking out the downtrend line, it should go in higher. But maybe it will never happen. So technically, of course, it's bullish one. Bullish pattern, so we should go like this one. Guys, don't get me wrong, I'm bullish on alts because the Ethereum BTC trading pair at the bottom, the sentiment around total capitulation, everybody blamed the alts. And exactly in this time, we should go higher. And majority should be trapped again and stuck in alts again for next 3 years. Take a look what indicator said, this one, for Jasmy, what I shared with you before. So on the weekly time frame, this was a time to buy. This was time for accumulation with the warranty. Now it's distribution. So guys, you have to understand that whales, they needed time to distribute their bags. That's the point why they can't dump or pump the token in one single monthly candle, right? So this was euphoria. Now we're in the middle. So I don't like the situation like this. No signal for accumulation on direction. Also, guys, you can use this indicator following wedges, how it playing out before. So we formed the wedge, pump, target reach it. Now, yes, I just showed you. It looks like a wedge, but it's not. A 12 time frame. Yes, here. This is what I've talked about. So technically, guys, we should hit at this target sooner or later, 5 cents again, technically, right? If you watched my previous educational video, in most cases, we form something like wedge, you know, then drop it down, grab liquidity, test it, and going higher. So this is what we can form now. So technically, anyway, sooner or later, guys, believe it or not, but we're going to reach the 5 cents again. So it's just a matter of time. But when? Nobody knows. That's a problem. Globally, of course, I'm waiting the spring 2025, some euphoria, positive news on the macro, on geopolitics. I don't want to talk about politics and geopolitics in this video because everything I explained to you in 2022, because everything going by playbook. Trade on, money power. This was signal to buy, sell, sell. No new signal to buy, guys. I can't draw you just random signal. It's disappear or not. Money power, this was a money inflow, money outflow, money outflow, money outflow. It's kind of bad. It's kind of bad. And yes, of course, you can say, no, it's not an altcoin season, blah, blah, blah. Guys, that guys who invested here in October 2023 made it just crazy money with Jasmy, almost 2,000%. Yes, it's a big deal, 2,000. So the H bar in 2021 finished the altcoin season with a 2,000%. That's a problem, guys. So buy line on the weekly on the Jasmy is here. It's 1 cent, 0.68. Daily time frame, the buy line, this is mostly what we will test it. So we draw like a wedge, then we can drop to 2 cents 62. It's going to be the good entry, and test of the buy line 2 cents 3. And for the while of this target, it's 1 cent 72. Don't be trapped, you know, and also don't be trapped by fear, because sooner or later, almost all alts will perform pretty well. So just wait, mark your entry and mark your exit, and just wait that targets. So guys, all local zones I explained to you. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what is your realistic price target. Realistic, guys, price target for Jasmy. If you would like to trade with my customer care I would show it in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.